Hey y'all, I'm Allison Walker with Randolph County 4-H. We're so excited that you purchased a butterfly kit. There is a lot of fun to be had with these kits. If you haven't already unboxed your kit, I'm going to unbox the one we'll be doing here in the office. So let's take a look. Okay, so inside of the kit, this is what it will look like. You will have your cup of caterpillars. These caterpillars look a little bit bigger than the ones we initially got. The food is in the bottom, and you can see there's some webbing inside here. But the caterpillars, these are not really active right now, but it'll take a couple days, 24 to 48 hours, for them to acclimate and start moving. But they'll stay in the cup for the first 7 to 10 days. Okay, so here are some 6 quick facts about things that you need to know as you unbox your kit. Here's some more instructions, a quick guide to the caterpillars. After the caterpillars form their chrysalis, they'll form their chrysalis on the underside of the lid here, and you'll take the lid off and you will set it sideways inside of this little plastic piece. So you'll set that in the bottom of the butterfly net. So here is the net, and it just pops out everything. We also have a butterfly observation guide. This has different activities about your butterflies, or the caterpillars and the butterflies that they will become. The butterflies will be painted lady butterflies. They're very pretty, orange and black. But it has different activities, the parts of butterfly, word search, and then on the back it's a certificate. And then these are the sugar packets. So after your butterflies emerge, you will mix these with 1/3 cup of water. And then there's a dropper, I think it's inside here. Yeah, the dropper is right there with the net. And you can just put a couple drops onto the sponge, and the butterflies will eat that, and that will help give them energy. So here is the kit that we did in the office to start with, and these butterflies hatched over the weekend. Their wings have dried and they are moving around, but you can see we have the lid here in the bottom of the kit, and we just set it inside of that plastic piece. So that's what yours will look like when you put that in there. But we're excited that you are going to join us on this journey. We will be doing a Zoom call later this week. Hopefully you will be able to join. We want to hear all about your journey, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.